How to transfer money from RBC to SIMPLII. So log into your RBC account on the official website or app. Navigate to the transfers or transfer funds section. Select transfer to another bank or external account transfer. Just enter your SIMPLII account details including account number and institution or any other details. Choose the RBC account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your SIMPLII account. Select the transfer date, either immediate or scheduled for later. Review the transfer details for accuracy before proceeding. You have to confirm the transfer to initiate the process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the transfer was successful. Check your SIMPLII account to verify the funds have been received. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.